Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello to my neighbor Daliza and my fellow friends. My name is Nur Ifa Akira binti Abdul Razak. My matrix number is 06DSK20F2005 and I'm from DSK1A. What I want to do is I want to tell you about unique islands in the world. Have you ever heard about the unique island in the world? What is called the unique islands? Where are the unique islands? In my presentation, I will share to you guys about unique islands, why and what make that the island is unique.
Let's start with my objective. My objective is I want to show the unique islands, how it is looked. Second, we must appreciate the beauty of the nature. And third, I want to let people know about history and special phenomena of the island. To begin with, now I'm going to talk about my first point, Socotra Island, Yemen. Socotra Island is the one of strangest place on earth. It is because they are full of all sorts of strange life forms. The most alien looking on earth is the title for this island because there has diversity of flora and fauna. Socotra Island is not covered with tropical forest. The diversity of flora and fauna of Socotra is unique and exotic. The diversity makes anyone who is there think, am I on another planet? You guys must be thinking, is there got any person that live in there? Yes, it has. Most of the population are indigenous Socotra people from Al-Mahra tribal Arabian descent. Almost all population of Socotra, about 50,000, and all of the city located on the north coast of the island. Now, I would like to turn to my second point, Pengilap Island. Pengilap Island is between the Philippines and the Hawaii. The population of island suffer from color blindness. 10% of the Pengilap population suffer from very severe color blindness. The blind color happens when the storm hit the island. From the storm, only 20 people survived, including the king. The colorblind king passed it down to the island. Color blindness made them begin difficult to see during the day and more clearly at night. So it is easier for them to catch fish at night. We have just seen how Pengilap Island look. Now, let's look at Faudet Island, Senegal. The unique of this island is when we come to this island, we will not feel the sand when walking along the beach because the island is filled with shells. The island has been called a shell island for generations because millions of these shells came from tidal wave that occurred thousands of years ago and pushed the shell to the island. These shells not only fill at the sea, but become part of the life of the population. Example, shells are planted in the walls of the house, used as decoration for the cemeteries of residents and more. When visitors go to the island, they should wear thick-soled shoes to avoid injury when stepping on shells. One of the most important part of this is Muslim cemetery are also look like Christian cemetery. It is because that is their culture from a few years ago. Now, moving on to Puerto Mosquito Island, Puerto Rico. Beach waters glowing and sparkling at night. It because it filled with many bioluminescent plankton that made it look like a star in space. This island became famous and tourists all over the world love to come. In 2017, this island was badly affected by storm and no more precious plankton glowing. However, now it's recovering with the represent of plankton. That's all I have to say about Puerto Mosquito Island. We had looked at my last point is Falkland Island. On 1982, this island was occupied by Argentina. Argentina army was planned 30,000 landmines to stop British occupation. 2 months Falkland War between Argentina and United Kingdom. In the undeclared war, the Argentina army was suffered defeat and was forced to retreat. Efforts to dispose of landmines were made, but due to numerous injuries and deaths, they held the operation. The interesting is the penguin is not heavy enough to blow up, step on it. Let's summarize briefly what I have looked at my main point. Number 1, Socotra Island. Number 2, Pengilap Island. Number 3, Faudet Island, Senegal. Number 4, Mosquito Island, Puerto Rico. And number 5, Falkland Island, Argentina. Suggestion and recommendation. I will suggest to you guys to go to visit Socorro Island, Yemen, because it's strange and unique place on earth. Next, visit Portland Island, Argentina. It is because we can learn about new history knowledge and beautiful scenery with cool weather. The last one is, I will suggest to you guys to go to visit Puerto Mosquito Island to get beautiful experience with blue sparkle beach during night. Let's take a look at this video. I suggest to you guys to go with family and take a lot of pictures to keep sweet memories with them. In conclusion, we should preserving the biodiversity, flora and fauna of all the islands of the world because we can keep the beautiful nature to next generation. Second, we can learn about history of the island and can add a new knowledge about the unique island. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, good morning ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nadira binti Baharuddin. As you know, I'm the last speaker for our group. My registration number is 06 DSK1A 2002. What I want to do this morning is to talk to you about the 5 islands unique in the world. First of all, I want to introduce the top 5 of the most unique islands in the world. Firstly is Ebulo Island. Second, the Iceless Islands. In addition, we have a Spratly Islands. Next is a Galancha Islands. Last but not least, we have the Moroccan Islands. Next slide, we go to the objective of the presentations. First, to show the beautiful island. Next is to let people know about the most unique islands. Lastly, to add a people knowledge about the unique island. Okay, let's start with the first part, which is Ebulo Island. This one island is in Denmark. The unique shape possessed by this one island is distinguished shape. In addition, the elongated mouth of a sun also resembles the tail shape of a stingray. Ebulo Island is also the third largest island in Denmark with an area of up 2.09 square kilometers. The third point is the Jansen's farm, who preserved the Ebulo Island is one of the uniquely shaped islands in the world. Next, the trip around the whole island is 7 km, but there is also an approximately 4 km long road marked on the island. The amazing part of the island is fishing and made into a bird sanctuary. We have just seen the Ebulo Island. Now, let's talk about the islet of Scilly. The tree shape is quite attractive to many tourists. The location of this one island in the United Kingdom. The shape of the tree owned by this one island is equipped with a stem and a shape that resembles a rose and a sword. Due to its unique shape, it is not uncommon for this island to become a tourist destination. The islet of Scilly consists of 5 inhabited islands and 140 small empty uninhabited islands. This brings up to the third point about Spratly Islands. The Spratly Islands are one of the uniquely shaped islands in the world that resembles a boomerang. The unique island location in the South China Sea. In addition to having a unique shape, this boomerang island is also known to be rich in natural resources. Therefore, this one island is now disputed by neighboring countries such as Vietnam, Taiwan, and China. The area of the Spratly Island is not more than 3 square kilometers. Wow, I like to turn to next point, which is a Kalinja Island. This one island is known to have a unique shape that resembles a heart. Therefore, Kalinja Island is a Zadalki Kana. This island also often referred to as a beloved island. Kalinja Island is likely the largest and most accurately defined heart-shaped island in the world, after going viral on social media in February of 2009. The last but not least is a Morkini Island. Morkini Island is also known to be unique because of its shape that resembles the letter U. The perfect green arches surrounded by the ocean are a tourist attraction to visit Morkini Island. In addition to being known for its unique shape, Morkini Island also has an incredible underwater beauty. Morkini Island is a destination for scuba diving, snowboard, and snorkeling. We can see the cliff with a height of 91 meters under the sea, which are filled with a coral reef as well as a various marine animal. Suggestion and recommendation that I prefer is a Kalinja Island. Next is a Morkini Island in Hawaii. Third is a visit the certain place with a family or friends. That brings me to the end of my presentation. To sum up my main point, the whole island is carry the meaning of a natural beauty and the emotion that humans play with on a daily basis. In conclusion, we should appreciate the beauty and the form in this world that carries implicit meaning as well as emotion and a marine life. So that's all for me and my friend. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you.